Starting off with a fresh face here. Now we're going to go ahead and prime the face. I'm using Bare Minerals Original Primer, using my ring finger to apply that on lightly on my face, just giving my face a soft massage. Now I'm grabbing my Etude House dark brown liner and I'm filling in my brows, starting first at the tail of my brow and then slowly moving in and making hair strokes at the very front. And then I'm going to use my spoolie and soften that out. Great, now let's move on. I'm grabbing two different foundations, both from Maybelline, the Matte and Poreless line, and I'm starting off with Sun Beige and applying that all over my face using a Morphe flat brush. I think this is a foundation brush specifically. I'm also applying foundation to my lips to create a neutral base foundation. Next, I'm going to apply the shade Golden Caramel onto the shadow points of my face, which is around my cheekbones, on my neck, and also around my forehead. That was fast. Now we're moving on to eyeshadow. I'm using this Estee Lauder mini palette, and I'm using the light brown shade to contour my nose bridge. I'm using this light feathery brush from Morphe. It's not dense, so it helps diffuse the color. And since I'm using a brown color, I just want it to blend in really nicely into my foundation. Next, I'm grabbing my Kat Von D light concealer in the shade Medium, and I'm just highlighting my nose bridge. Then I'm grabbing my blending brush and I'm just blending it all in. Cool, now we can move on to the eyeshadow. I'm using the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette, and the first shade I'm going to use is Blazing. It's this orange color, and I'm applying that to the lower part of my lid, and later I'm going to go ahead and blend that outwards so it can create this soft blend. I'm also using the brown shade in that palette and using an eyeliner brush to create a cat wing look. Here I'm applying my Hoola bronzer to the cheeks, around my chin, and under my nose. Then I'm grabbing my 3CE Velvet Lip Tint in the shade Tawny Red and softly tapping it into my lip and moving outwardly to create this ombre look. For my second color, I'm using Explicit to deepen the shade to create this strawberry lemonade lip look like this. And then I'm applying that same shade onto my cheeks to create this IGARI look blush. To create this glossy look, I'm putting on Lime Crime's Diamond Crusher lip product in the shade Cleopatra. As you can see, my lips are very shiny right now. I'm just patting it in to blend the glitter in. And the look wouldn't be complete without lashes, so for this look I'm using Eden Lashes in Heartbreaker. Before this makeup tutorial ends, I decided to put some beauty marks onto my face, on the top of my eyebrow, under my eye, and then on the side of my nose, and lastly on my cheek. And lastly, I'm putting highlighter on, I'm using the amrezy highlighter from Anastasia Beverly Hills and applying that to the high points of my face. This is the final look. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this IGARI inspired makeup look. If you liked me and my content, just go ahead and like and subscribe if you'd like, and if you would like to follow me in my other social media, they'll be down in the description box below. Love y'all. Bye.